Hello YouTube, it's me here again, Morris from Morris Mini Motors. Today we're trying a new camera system. This is my DJI Action 5 camera, not my phone anymore. I'm monitoring it, as you can see on my little speedboat, monitoring the shot there. And today we have starter systems. This one is for the Sato 3-cylinder, so it will fit the FA-450, the glow discontinued version. It would fit that no problem. Also FG-84 R3 and the latest FG-90 R3 as well. So this kit already been proven. It's on my YouTube channel on various different engine, on the 90, also on the 84 as well. I'll shoot another video with showing how it's all assembled. It's all quite easy to install as well. So this is all already assembled, the gear already bolted onto the hub. The hub is the direct replacement, so all you need to do is take in the set screw out. As you can see, a set screw inside there. You take that out, the old hub, put it in this one, put it in place, and easy to get set up on the engine then. So this hub already comes, so that's the timing ring. So this one have the upgrade magnet spacing already installed, so you don't need to do anything. Again, the magnets are already equally spaced to the correct orientation of the movements of the piston internally of the engine. So all that comes already installed. You don't have to do that. All you need to do is put the pin, screw the pin in, line it up onto your crankshaft, on the slot on the crankshaft, tighten the prop up, and as easy as that. So that's your starter system. This would replace your heatsink on the side of the engine. So it's a direct replica, but also you have a bolt-on for the starter motor to go on the front here as well. So all that's in one piece, and it comes with replacement screws, because the screws that comes from the original heatsinks will be a lot shorter. So it comes with a bit longer screws as well, so you get more strength tightening up, so you can hold the starter motor on. So that's your starter motor heatsink slash bracket, and that is your starter gear slash upgrade timing hub on that. Put that there, and in the box you have a trusty RCXL 100 amp relay. So this one would work with anywhere from a 3-cell to a 4-cell, but 3-cell works really fine, no problem at all. And this would just send a signal to your starter motor from a switch on a transmitter. It would have a built-in like a 3-second start. So once you could have like a spring-loaded switch. Once you press that, it will keep the motor going. Once the motor get about 3-4 seconds, it will actually stop turn by itself, switch off, and you can release the switch. If the engine doesn't start, you do the sequence over again. So that's 100 amp, and it comes with all the connectors there for your batteries and things like that. And inside the box, again, you get a starter, and this already have the harness on with the XT90 already connected to it to go straight into your starter. So all you need to do is get a suitable 3-cell battery, anywhere from 2200 and up. It comes with spare connectors as well if you don't already have connectors, the right connector on the battery for you. But these are XT90 connector. Push on plugs there, and the ground on the side as well. You can move this around. If it doesn't work for you there, you can put it there. You could move it up there. You could put it wherever you want it, but as long as they have a ground on it, and you keep the positive on the switch here. But everything is already connected for you. Comes with the two M5 cap button head screws on the top there, and that would fit straight in your bracket, and you get the correct height once you install everything onto your engine, and away you go. So pretty much all you're gonna need to get this up and running is a 3-cell battery of your choice, whatever make or brand you want to use, and of course a FG-84 or 90 or the FA-450. So that's pretty much for the unboxing for this video, and I'll shoot another video showing you the basic setup of the starter system on the engine and how simple and easy it is, because everything's been done for you. The timing already been done in the hub, nothing to worry about. Apologies. As long as you leave the sensor at the factory original settings, which normally center off the screws, as long as you leave the sensor there, once you put this hub on, your timing should be spot on with no trouble at all. And everything is, as I see, nicely finished. And you could see the engraving there, says FA-450, FG-84 and FG-90 R3 as well, pretty much. Normally where the Morrison Motors logo on the gear, that's normally where the pin will go in on all of the assembly. That's how I would assemble them, so you could see the pin hole straight in there. Focus, yep. So that's pretty much it for the starter system. We have the one for the 100 and the new 120 flat twin that's set to just release as well. That one will be later this year in production. But all excited, everything turned out really nice. The machining finished really nicely on these as well. Nice natural on the dies, and the hardening and the blacking on the starter gear as well. Looks really good on the engine. So next video outline and show you how it's fit onto the engine and how it looks on the engine as well. Okay, stay tuned for more great videos to come. All right, cheers.